Here's a quick overview of my 2019 Ford Raptor. I just washed it, so I just figured I'd take a quick video. This is a ruby red Ford Raptor. So it came with the aluminum wheels, but I changed it for the bead locks from the previous generation. Just want to give you guys a quick run through things I've done to it. So basically, the truck is stock. I added a 2-inch leveling kit in the front, so it sits a little bit higher, levels the truck out. I tinted all of the windows to about 5%. That's just a cosmetic little thing. And then I did some stuff under the hood mainly. I also did the pods right there to the rigid lights. So I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you guys. All right, let's go over the quick mods we got on here. So the main thing we have here is the COBB intercooler. So that's the front the front grill intercooler right there. That makes a huge difference. The factory one sat right there, and it actually got really bad heat soak. So that was a very, very good upgrade. Here we have the SMB filter right here. It's a sealed box. I added this little COBB reservoir cover because there was a really ugly orange tank right there for the coolant overflow. Added the JLT, that's the oil catch can. It's pretty nice. And then other than this stuff, it is tuned. It's tuned by GH Tuning. Have some other videos on the channel, kind of just going over the 0 to 60s and stuff like that. And yeah, it makes a big difference. Everything that it's done to it so far, it definitely makes the truck move. So if you guys want any more videos of those, I can go ahead give you more information. But yeah, that's just a quick overview of my 2019 Ford Raptor. I think it has about 30,000 miles. So yeah, she's had nothing wrong with her so far. Thank you.